friends, today we are going to see what is dictionary. Dictionary is unordered, mutable and indexed collection of items. Each item has key and value pair. So let's see, for example, dict, if I say it's a variable name underscore example equals to, if I have to write a dictionary, I will be using curly brackets and say I'll be defining the key as in strings, so name, then its value. So name, say for example I'll be saying Kirti. So when we add an item after this, I'll be it is comma separated. So then after that I'll be taking, say for example, roll number. Then I have to insert a colon and then say for example 111, and then again I'll be mentioning the class. So this is our dictionary. Dictionary has key and value items. Okay, so the most important point here is the keys must be of immutable type. That is this. It should be of immutable type. That is, for example, it can be a string, it can be a number, or it can be a tuple. Okay, the values which we have mentioned, it can be of any kind of data type and it can repeat. But the keys which we have defined, it should be unique. The reason behind it is because we are going to perform various operations on using the keys here. Okay, so let's see, for example, if I have to print this dictionary, print dictionary. Let's execute this. Okay, so we have got the output. This is our dictionary with name, roll number and class. Okay, say for example, if I have to access the items, so how we can do that? If I have to access the, say for example, I have to access the roll number. So how I'm going to do that? We can do it in two ways. One is by accessing through a key. Let's see. So I have written x equals to and my variable name, and then I have to pass the keys. I have to access what? Roll number. Let's see if it is working for us. I have to print x, not the dictionary. So let's execute and see. So it's displaying the roll number, right? So how do we access it? We have to access the element using the key value roll number. We can do similar with class. If we have to get the class, we have to pass, say for example, x is equals to, we have to pass the variable of dictionary and then the name of the key element. So it's returning whatever we are passing as a key element. Okay, so this is one method. There is one more method named as get. So how we do that? X is equals to, for example, dot get, and in this we have to mention what we have to get. Say for example, I'll write name. So both the variables are x, but this variable it will be printing, otherwise I will comment out this. So it will be returning what now? It will be returning name. So it's returning name. Okay, so this is one method of passing as an index the key item, and the second is through get method. Okay, so there are various ways of assigning the dictionary. Let's see some more examples of dictionary, how we can write in dictionary. So I will be writing this. Say for example, I'll change this to HE. Okay, and now this dictionary will be with integer key. So for example, 1, then I'll be writing, say, um, what I can write, fruits, right? Apple. Then 2 will be, say for example, banana. 3. So this is dictionary with integer key. Okay. So this dictionary is a collection of, like, for example, fruits, list kind of fruits. So this is it. Okay. So this is dictionary with integer keys. I'll comment dictionary with integer key. Okay, let's see. Let's print this. I'll comment this. Correct. So now it's printing our integer key dictionary. Okay. So the the dictionary key can be in the mixed form, means it can be with integer also, it can be with string also, in a collection. So let's say it example, dictionary with mixed key. Okay, so equals to, and then name, sorry, name, say I'll be writing Sapna, then comma, and then here I'll be writing suppose 1, and then I'll be passing it to a tuple. So now I'll print my mixed key item. Okay, so how we can retrieve this, we'll check one. So we can retrieve name, and then I'll print X. Oh, I have to pass the variable name also. Okay, so what if I'll be passing age, which I have not defined in this dictionary. I have not defined age. So what will happen to this? So it throws an error, key error, age, because we have not defined. Let's see with this get method what error it throws when we have not defined the key item. Let's execute. So wait, I'll comment one. None. So the this get method will not return an error, it will just return none. So if we want us to know what the error is, it's better to use indexing, because we are passing a key item which is not present in the dictionary. So it's always better to use the indexing. Otherwise we can use get also, but it will be returning none, it will not be returning the error. So we'll never come to know if the key is present or it's not present. Okay, so now I'll be just removing this. Let's see how to assign a value, like how to change the value of the existing dictionary. How to change the value of, say for example, I have to change the value of class. So how I will be doing it? So I have to pass in my variable. Okay, and then I have to write the key item, its class, and which is equals to, I have to pass, say for example, TE, and then again I have to print the dictionary. Let's see. Correct. So now it is getting updated. Okay, so this is my dictionary. I have changed the value of class. So I have to pass my key item. That's why key item should be unique. Otherwise, it will update. So it has to be mandatorily to be unique. Okay. Okay. So like this, we can change the value of any of the item. We can like change the class. Now let's change the roll number. Maybe we can change the class here and we can change the roll number down. Say for example, now if class has changed, the roll number will also change. Say for example, now it's 110, and then let's check. Correct. So now it's the class is T and the roll number is 110. Okay. I hope you are clear on this. This is changing the value of dictionary items. Okay, so now adding the item in the dictionary, what we have to do to add an item in a dictionary. So let's comment this. I'll be adding an item. So for example, my variable, I have to add one what key value first. Let's add key value year. So maybe which is equals to say 2020. It's not good 2019. Let's do it, and then print the dictionary. So we can see the dictionary item has been added. This is key value. This is key and this is value. Okay. So now we'll see how to remove an item from a dictionary. So for removing an item, there are various methods. So first we'll see the pop method. It removes the item with specific key name. So what I have to write is, so I'll comment out this. Then my variable name dot pop method is there, and then I have to pass what I have to delete. So what I have to remove, so maybe I'll be removing class, and then we have to print the dictionary. So it has been removed, right? We have passed the specific key item. That key item is removed. So we can see only name and roll number is being printed. We can remove one more. See, maybe we'll be removing roll number and check. Okay, so this is pop method. What it does is it removes with specific key item. We have one more item, one more method, pop item. It removes last inserted item. So let's see what it is. Pop item. So it will be removing, anyways, it will be removing class only as it is the last item. Correct. Otherwise, we'll add one more and we'll check. Say, for example, I'll be adding year. I'll be saying 2019. Sorry, I have to keep. So now last item is for this pop item, the last item is year. So that's why it's, I'll do just formatting. Okay, so that's why the now when I am executing the pop item, it's being removed. The last item is being removed, and last item according to it is now year. Okay. Okay, so I'll just comment this, and then we have one more method to remove an item. We have del keyword, delete keyword. Okay, so it has the capability to delete whole dictionary also, but if you pass one key item value, then it will delete that also. So my variable, and then I have to pass, say for example, roll number. So now it will be removing the roll number. Okay, so roll number is removed. Okay, so this is del keyword, and for that we can pass our key item. Okay, so if I don't pass the key item and if I have just mentioned this, it will be deleting the dictionary itself. And when I try to print this dictionary, it is going to show us error because we have already deleted the dictionary. See, name error is not defined. Name dictionary is not defined. Why? Because we have already deleted the dictionary here. Okay, so I'll comment this because I have to perform more operations on it. So clear, there is one clear method. So what does clear method do is it returns an empty dictionary. So I have one this dictionary variable and then clear. So it will be returning what? Empty dictionary. Okay, so it's an empty dictionary. Okay, so next what we'll see is I'll comment this. Okay, I'll just remove all this from here because it's a mess. Okay, so what we are going to see now is looping through a dictionary. So how we do a looping through an dictionary or iterating through a dictionary. Okay, so for example, for x in my dictionary variable and then print x. So I'll be commenting this print statement. I'll be just printing x. So this x will be printing what? It will be printing key names in the dictionary. Let's execute. So name, roll number, class and year. So these are all key items. Correct. So this is for printing key. Correct. Loop and getting key items. Okay, key items. Okay, so what if I have to get the value items? So what I have to do is for, say for example, y in my variable, and then what I have to print is print my variable name of y. Correct. Now let's check the output. So now it's returning both, right? Key items and name, roll number, class, year. This is the output of this. And the values Kirti 111 SE to 2019. This is the output of this, correct? So it's returning what? It is returning the values in the dictionary. So there are several other ways also to return the values in the dictionary. Let's check what it is. So we have one values method to return the values in the dictionary. So for example, for say for example y only I'll take in my dictionary variable, then dot values we have. Okay, and then print y. So it's better I'll comment this all. So now it's returning the values. So what we have used is values method. It returns the values in the dictionary. Okay, so now we can check one more thing, how we can iterate through both key and value. So for x comma y, there is an in keyword in our dictionary. Sorry, our dictionary is dictionary underscore example dot items, and then what we have to print, x and y. So print x comma y. For indentation x, oh, okay, so this should be starting from this. So in Python, this is indentation is very important thing. Okay, so now name is Kirti, roll number is 111, class is second year engineering, year is 2019. Okay, so this is how we iterate through both key and values. So if we have to check the some particular key exists or not, how we can do that, let's check. So I'll remove this all again, and I will open this print statement, and I'll write if, say for example, class in dictionary variable array. So what we are trying to do here is we are going to check if this class is present in the our key items. So in dictionary we are trying to check if this exists. So let's check. Oh, we should write something, right? Yes, it's present. Yes, it's in dictionary. Okay. Okay. So if is conditional statement, maybe after some videos it will be coming. So this is how we can check. We can check for year. If year is there in the key items in the dictionary, we can execute. So yes, it's in a dictionary. So if, for example, if we write something which is not there, name, class roll number, say age I can write. If it is not there, it will be returning nothing. So it's returning nothing. If we write else statement, then it will print no, it's not present. It's not in dictionary. Okay, so let's execute. So no, it's not in dictionary. Okay. Okay, fine. Now what we have to do is how to determine how many objects are there in a dictionary, how many items are there in a dictionary. So how we come to know? So we can do that using a length function. So let's print length is len, and then we have to pass our dictionary variable, and then we can execute. So we have four items, right? Name, roll number, class, and year. Okay. So now we can check how many methods, inbuilt methods are there in dictionary. So I'll be like removing this, and let's check inbuilt methods in dictionary. Okay, so some are inbuilt like length, new, reduce, size of, and whatever we have seen is like clear. Okay, next I'll be taking copy of a dictionary, then from key, and then get we have seen, right? We have seen get, we have seen pop, we have seen pop items, we have seen values. Remaining we'll see, right? Okay. So how we will see how to copy a dictionary. So there is a copy method. So for example, I'll say कि my dictionary is equals to dict, my variable of the existing variable, and dot copy, and then I'll be printing my dictionary. Okay, so this is done. So copy, there is a copy method, and there is one more function. Suppose for example, I'll write a dictionary underscore eg is equals to dict. There is a constructor. It is inbuilt function. We have to write double quote, and then we have to pass the variable name. So dictionary example. Okay, and then I'll comment out this, and let's print this. Okay, so this is done. So how to copy a dictionary? We have a copy method, our existing variable, and dot copy, and then we have dict function where we can call that function, and then we have to pass our variable name. Okay, thank you so much.